Hello everyone, your favorite Senso Tech Jedi here with another video in this classroom management playlist series. Okay, today we are going to talk about question. So this is such a great teacher tool to be able to create questions pre-assessment, post-assessment. You're doing the role, you need something to engage your students and get some feedback from them about lessons, and this is really great for distance learning. You can create a question with up to 4 different answer choices and send those out to those users. This is a Windows specific tool, so just keep that in mind. I have my mouse control turned on. I need to turn it off. You saw that it had the little cursor down there. So let's create a question. How many bits are in a byte? We're going to say the correct answer, the wrong answer, a different wrong answer, and sure. There we go. Now again, with this one, oh, I almost forgot. I gotta put my check marks in there. This is gonna go out to those students that I want it to go to. This is something you'll want to utilize all the time. So remember to save it as a shortcut so that you can have as many shortcuts as you want with these tools. So you can have many questions that you can very easily click on and send out to your students. So I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. I'm gonna go back into mouse control only. I'm gonna say this answer and send this answer in. I'm acting as if I'm the student, and I'm going to scroll down here and do the same thing and click send answer. So let's go ahead and make this a little bit smaller here so you can see those, and it's going to display some feedback over here in the module itself. So we're going to go scroll down, and you see that the name of the user and the PC is there and the answer choices that they selected. You can print this out or export it to a CSV. Any of you guys that are like me that used to teach, well, it's not called BCIS anymore, it's called BIM, but you export that into an Excel, and you can make a nice little pie chart of all your incorrect and correct answers. Just a nice visual for you to get some feedback on your lessons. So remember, this is a great tool to utilize with that shortcut bits. I cannot type today. Save and close. Do this, before you get into the classroom, you're ready to go, and you have that up here, and you can simply click on it, and it will run on those devices. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.